So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to expand keyboards. Now you want to find your keyboard. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, your keyboard might come with a software like my one does. If it does, then you want to go to your software and then click on your keyboard. Now you want to go to settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date for your keyboard software. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space keyboard diagnostic and then click on enter. And now this will come up, the keyboard troubleshooter. Click on next. It's now going to start searching for any issues. If it finds anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the next method, if you're using an external keyboard, then you just want to unplug it and then plug it back in again. You could also unplug it and then plug it into a different USB port. For the next method, you can get a keycap puller. You can then remove the escape key from your keyboard, clean around the area, and then put your escape key back in. See if that works. For the next method, make sure that the escape key is not being blocked by like numlock or by like an FN key or something like that, or by a function key. So just check your keys on your keyboard. Make sure that no keys are preventing the escape key from working. Also make sure that you have game mode turned off if you have that key on your keyboard. For the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works. If not, then your escape key just might be broken.